just wanna show you you are. You should let me know. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. So make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. I'm a dog.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. But right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick.
Come through, come through, come through, come through. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got nice to do, nice to do. Come through, come through, come through, come through, come through.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today we have a in the house vlog. I know a lot of y'all don't like to stay in the house, but I like to stay in the house sometimes. So today we're gonna do some house things. My house looks a mess. My hair looks a mess. It's just a mess everywhere. And I have some things that I want to do around the house anyway, and I just need to get her done. So I just made my breakfast. Just some eggs with cheese, some toast, and some turkey bacon. I'm gonna eat this and then we're going to start our day. Okay y'all, so I just finished my breakfast. It was so good. Like Waffle House where? This house. Here's what we gotta do today. It is a gloomy day outside. I do not like that. It was raining yesterday, it's raining today. I just don't like that. So as y'all can see, my hair looks a mess. So I just took my braids out and I need to wash my hair. I need to get my scalp. I need to do all that stuff. I need to wash my hair and I need to style it for the week. So I'm gonna be doing that. I want to do my toes and I want to do my nails. I need to clean up my house. My room is clean, as y'all can see. My kitchen and living room on the other hand, not so much. And I also want to put my vanity together. I'm so excited for that. It won't be all the way together because I still need to get a mirror. Organizing it, I want to do that. So let's hop into the bathroom and let's get this hair done.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
When they're ready for give me the thing, they're ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night to make we get it amplified. But if you run the ship and I go sip and I go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. For give me the toughest, longest time for ride, girl.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time.
Okay y'all, so I'm out of the shower. As y'all can tell, my hair has been washed and now I'm about to style it. I don't really have anything to tell y'all about styling my hair. I'm just gonna style it. I like to do braid outs just because I don't have to worry about doing my hair and it usually stays long. So excuse me, I'm gonna show y'all the products that I'm gonna use, then I'm gonna do my hair and I'll come back and we'll be on to the next thing. If you saw my vlog, where I went to the Indian market. I went and picked up some Ayurvedic oils, okay? I saw the girl on TikTok talk about it, and I'm trying to grow my hair out. So they say Indian hair oils does just that. I tried the Taraji P scalp scrub. My scalp is clean, but I don't like the scrub at all. Anyway, just had to put that out there. So this is the Parachute Jasmine coconut oil. That one. This is also Amla hair oil, and this is the jasmine one. So I think it just has jasmine oil and it smells good. I don't know, but this one says natural hair care for beautiful hair. Then I have some products from African Pride, which are the same as what I used earlier. This is the Hydrate and Hold Curl Defining Gel, butter and flaxseed oil, moisturize and define curling cream. Moisturize my hair. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna come back. I gotta have time for my hair to dry. I'm back, guys. So my hair is...
Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
Styled, as y'all can see. And as soon as my bonnet gets done in the dryer, I'm going to be putting it on my head, which it has 15 minutes left. So, but this is usually what I do to my hair. I just do a little braid out. This side's already shrinking up, but I just do a little braid out to get the hair styled and out of the way. And now we're gonna move on to what else I wanted to do. So I need to clean up my living room because my living room is a mess, okay? And then I'm gonna tackle my vanity. I made this vanity myself. I didn't make it myself, but I got the items. Y'all probably saw in one of my vlogs when I went to IKEA that I got all these items together to create my vanity, and all I'm missing really is a mirror. I'm gonna be getting a mirror from Amazon, and we'll see, because I haven't really looked for real. And then my house will be complete, but I also want to do my nails and my toes, so I figured I'll just do that last, and then I want to figure out what I want for dinner. I low-key want carrabba's, which is Italian food. I don't feel like cooking, so let's clean up the living room, and yeah.
Come on, girl, you're the one to dance.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Come through, come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do, things to do. Come through, come through, come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do, so put your ass in the car, come through, come through.
So this is my little vanity area. As y'all can see, it's a mess. I don't like this chair here, so I'm gonna figure out another chair eventually, but that's not at the top of my list, so it doesn't really matter. But eventually I'm gonna get another chair. All of my makeup is in here. Ooh. Most of it is in here. I have this makeup bin, I got Sephora bag, so I'm gonna clean this up.
Come through, girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do, so put your ass in the car, come through.
I bought some glass to go on top of both of these because I did not want anything to happen to them. You know, I already know this is gonna get messy with makeup, nail polish, whatever. So to keep that from happening, I purchased some glass, some cut glass for this, and I'm hoping it fits. I'm gonna wipe this down with some Clorox wipes just so that it'll be clean before putting it on there. So they gave me these little clear thingies. Don't mind my nails. These little clear things that you just put underneath so that the glass isn't like stuck to the surface. So I'm gonna put these on here. I'm going to clean this. I'm gonna clean it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is cute. This is what the glass looks like on there. It is too pretty. It just makes it look so much more elegant. Like, even though this is not see-through like some of the other drawers, I don't care. I like it like this. Everything's hidden. It doesn't need to be out there like that, but I like how clean this looks, how clean this looks, and I like how it'll stay clean because all I got to do is wipe it down. All right, y'all. So for the next order of business, I got some bags from HomeSense. So, girl, I got a whole bunch of containers because I don't know what I need, what I don't need, and whatever doesn't work will be going back, okay?
You make me happy. Bitch, you can bet. You stood right beside me. Yeah. And I won't forget. I really love you. You should know. I wanna make sure
A few moments later.
Don't be mad at me. I just woke up from an amazing nap. I guess I needed it because I finished putting everything together. You guys saw it's 5:04 right now. I ordered carrabba's for dinner. After I eat dinner is probably when I'll just do my hands, and then tomorrow I'll do my toes. I just don't feel like doing all of it tonight. I just want to chill. My house is clean. I feel amazing. Hair is done, showered, smelling good. So I can't wait till my food gets here because I am hungry. So I'll talk to you guys when I get my food.
before I let go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we had a good time that we can say.
All right, y'all, so I don't know what happened to my audio here. Somehow it didn't get me telling y'all that my nails looked atrocious and that I'm about to do them, and how my nail broke. Okay, so I didn't really like the color in the end when I got done doing it, but I wanted to do pink for some reason, so I chose those pink colors. But I just went ahead and did my nails, not too much on them because I'm not a nail tech. Okay, I know how to do my nails. Okay, and they be looking decent. Okay, so not too much on me in the comments, but yeah, just enjoy this little montage of me doing my nails. I just wanted to let y'all know that that's what's going on here.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody so next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any. Girl, having it so in it. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he be killing them. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high. Shout at you, decide what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, just listen. Said he keeps on playing games and his love ain't the same. Don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switch your lanes and a thing so far, baby, no propane. Got good, hey, can I be frank? To keep it 100, girl, I hate no. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby, when you get space, big gang, give me lay, baby, that's finna. Oh, baby. In the silk and it H-Town got a nigga so Spitfire in the world so H-Town got me feeling so thrown. Ride paint in the silk and it H-Town got a nigga so Spitfire in the world so.
Okay, y'all, so your girl is in the bed. I got me some ice cream. It's not that I don't like ice cream, it's the fact that I just don't eat it that often. The nails are done. So it doesn't look too bad but it's done. But I got my ice cream. It's 9:13. I'm about to turn on some of my girls on YouTube, eat my ice cream, and then I'm going to bed. Thank you guys so much for staying inside with me. I had the most relaxing day, I can't even lie, honestly, and I'm glad you guys came along with me. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
No time,
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.